How to turn on or off Google SafeSearch using a PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google. Click on three dots on top right and then click on Settings. In Settings, click on Search Bar and search for Safe Browsing. You'll find Safe Browsing. Click on it, and to turn your safe browsing off, make sure your blue dot is in No Protection. In that bracket, Not Recommended. To turn on Google SafeSearch, simply scroll up and make sure your blue dot is in Enhanced Protection. And this is how to turn on or off Google SafeSearch using a PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.